Get ready for the dictation in 3, 2, 1, start. Honorable members, we are all aware that digital technology is the foundation of the Industrial Revolution Industry 4.0. My government has focused on digital access, digital inclusion, and digital empowerment in an unparalleled manner through the Digital India program in order to take full advantage of the industrial revolution in the 21st century. It is a matter of pride for the country that digital systems developed in India during the last 5 years have been a source of inspiration for several countries of the world. Honorable members, today more than 121 crore people in the country have Aadhaar cards and about 60 crore people possesses RuPay cards. A record value of rupees 2 lakh crore has been transacted through UPI in December 2019. Recently, the government has also launched a new version of the Bheem app. The government has linked about 450 schemes to direct benefit transfer or DBT by using the JAM Trinity of Jan Dhan, Aadhaar and mobile. An amount of over rupees 9 lakh crore has been directly transferred to the bank accounts of the beneficiaries through DBT during the last 5 years. By plugging the leakages, my government has saved about rupees 1,70,000 crore from going into the wrong hands. The government e-marketplace GEM has brought about transparency in government procurement. GEM has not only opened up a huge market in the form of government for the small and micro entrepreneurs, it has also connected the government directly with the entrepreneurs. During the last 3 years, about rupees 40,000 crore worth of procurement has been done by different government departments through GEM. By leveraging technology, my government has taken several major steps to end the Inspector Raj. Now, we are also developing a system in the income tax department which would be devoid of any human interference. This system will increase transparency and improve work culture in the tax department. Honorable members, technology plays a major role in bringing cities and villages closer. So far, more than 1,25,000 gram panchayats have been connected with high speed broadband under the BharatNet scheme. In 2014, there were 60,000 common service centers in rural areas of the country, which have now increased to more than 3,65,000. This has provided employment to more than 12 lakh villagers. Through these centers, the government is delivering more than 45 services in rural areas. Honorable members, in order to strengthen the spirit of Ek Bharat, Shresth Bharat, my government is developing integrated and organized systems for the countrymen through use of technology. Recently, One Nation, One FASTag has been launched to ensure seamless mobility in the country. One Nation, One Mobility card has enabled use of the same card for different modes of transport across different states. One Nation, One ration card is also being launched by the government. One nation, one tax, that is GST, has also promoted transparency in trade and commerce through use of technology. In the pre GST period, more than 2 dozen different taxes had to be paid. Now, not only the complex tax web has come to an end, the incidence of tax has also been reduced. Honorable members, in a federal country like India, it is imperative for the last fast paced development that states compete with each other in development schemes and also share experiences with each other. My government has therefore been consistently emphasizing competitive, cooperative federalism. The government is ranking states on the basis of real time data collected at district and village level. Its impact is visible in various areas ranging from Swachh Bharat Abhiyan to ease of doing business and smart city mission to aspirational district program. Information collected during census play a crucial role in enabling governments in formulating of appropriate schemes and targeted interventions. The time digital technology is being used in the conduct of census to collect information so as to complete the process expeditiously. Stop. Thank you.